What's up everybody? Today I'm going to build the minifigure vending machine, the Lego idea set that just came out. I saw the set, I thought it was so awesome. I love cool stuff, like I love the retro, I love that it really works. I'm so excited to put it together. So let's not wait any longer and let's start putting it together. So here we go, let's build. Just finished the minifigure vending machine. Really awesome set, fun to build. The insides are amazing, very cool. I can't wait to try it out. So let's fill it up with the minifigs. All right. All right. Here we go. Getting my minifig. That's awesome. Get another one. So cool. That is so fun. I love this thing. It's amazing. I love it. The minifigure vending machine, very cool set, very fun build, awesome mechanics, great set, highly recommend it. Alright, so next step is to get all the minifigs out of here and build them. And I think I'm going to do that in short form, so come back to the channel and check out me building all these guys because that's the next step. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.